Welcome back. Now we've got the last beach in Palma Nova to do. Right, so there you go. This is the end. Marina up there. Oh no, it seems to be more busier than Magaluf. So if you're staying up this end, the hotel I stayed in up this end is the Fergus Hotel. It's just up the road there on the left hand side. The swimming pool is round at the top. It's above the reception and it's see-through. So there you go. A bit pricey though. A couple of restaurants here that's been shut. That one usually opens in the evenings, but don't look like it's open now. Doing lots of repair. And there's a golf fantasy world. It's got about 4 golf courses I think in there. And that is absolutely brilliant. It is. Doing it all up here, doing the paving. Restaurants over there, so there's not a lot open at the moment. There's the Fergus Hotel there. Oh, that's better. That wind is very, very strong today. You got there's the pool area upstairs above that, just there. That's the pool above the reception. There you got a couple of little bars over the road here, which are good bars. You got the Sunset Bar, absolutely brilliant in there it was. We've got the Oceana, I've had a meal. Top notch meal. That's about it from here, and you see there's not a lot on this end, there's more up in the middle. There is a couple of more English pubs about. You've got to go walk, get your Google map out to find it, and there's a nice English pub. I can't think what the name of it is, but you'll find it if you come on this road on the Google and look for English pubs. It's absolutely a tremendous food. There's a little walk through the side streets up here, at the back. It was hard to find. I took the long way when I was with my cousin here. We took the long way route. Eventually found it. We had steak pie dinner, homemade. Oh my god, it was lovely. So there's something for you to look for. This is it, little marina. Go up this side road here. There is a bar, but I don't know if it'll be open yet. It's called Hooters. Thai. Not a lot open up this end either at the moment. Unless it opens in the evenings. I think the wife's getting a bit cold, so I'm going to get up here, turn it off, and go and get a nice coffee. I will be pasting these videos out of the beaches. I've got to do one more when I go back to Magaluf and film around there, because I'm going home tomorrow morning. I've only spent 2 nights here. I've got what I can. When I start posting them, hope you enjoy all these videos. If you've got a comment about anything, ask, and if I know it, I'll let you know. But the hotel I'm staying in is not pet friendly, so no pets. So yeah, we've got a few little places here. That Indian there is nice as well. We've got noodle house here, sushi. That's new. That wasn't here last time. That wasn't here last time, was it, love? No. If it was, I missed it. Garden centre. Find all your bits and bobs in there if you need anything. I just imagine you won't need it unless you want to do your own plumbing. And there's the pub here. Little cafeteria. Been in there. I think I'll go in there in a minute and have a coffee. There's an Indian restaurant over there. Been in that one as well. It's pretty good. Let's go and have a look at the menu. I'll give you an idea. There's a pub there. Hooters. That's English. That's alright. Lovely Cornish pasties in there, homemade. Sausage rolls. You'll love that as well. Let's go over there. Let's see if we can get in there. Let's just stay there. Yeah. So there you go, there's the full menu of the Indian. So that'll give you some idea what the prices are like around here. Bloke up there cutting a tree down up there, look, trimming them up. No coconuts on them though. Right, I'll catch you later. See you in the next video.